Well, at least today it's not snowing. Welcome back to the House Edition. So this morning, I'm set up and I'm going to dive right into the flooring. I think I can get most of it knocked out today, so let's get started. To start, I'm just going to lay the wood over to the edge of the paper I've already put down. Then I'll move these remaining boxes over to the other side of the room and paper the rest of the subfloor. It should be pretty smooth sailing until I get around these register vents. This piece, I'm just so lucky. It went in perfect and it's right under the jamb. It's better to be lucky than good all the time. So the paper is down, and at this point, I'm ready to go all the way to the wall. This is definitely going to be the last row. I can barely hit the gun, especially once I get over here to the sill area. It's going to be very hard to strike the gun. So I might get some misfires, but I'm going to try to do this last row, and then I'll have to hand shoot all the rest. So I'm down to the last row, and I need the table saw. So I'm going to set that up and just rip these last couple pieces, and I'll be completely done. last piece. Alright, that's it. So the flooring is done now. At this point, all I need is the quarter round. So I think I'm going to spend the rest of the day pulling all the tools out that I don't need anymore, like the flooring gun, the tile saw, the table saw. I need the chop box because tomorrow, in the next clip, my plan is to try to get all the quarter round and get it cut and coated and in place. And that way I can pull it out and pre-paint it. And that way when I install it, all I have to do is hit the caulk line and the nail holes. So that'll save a lot of time. And taping quarter round to the flooring or to the tile, it just always bleeds through the tape, so I'm not a believer. So at this point, I think that's what I'm going to focus on, get everything pulled out, maybe broom this out one time just to try to clear some of the dust off of it and make sure there's no heavy debris on it or anything that'll scratch. At this point, I'll get everything cleaned out, and like I said, in the next clip, we'll get the quarter round done. So I'll see you then. "114 lineal feet. I'll pick it up in the morning." Nobody's perfect.